PowerPoint Animating Text and Objects. In this video, I will show you how can you easily add animation to text and object in your PowerPoint presentation. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open PowerPoint, and as you can see, I have written a text hello and included a clip art hello. So I'll be including animation for these. Now to include animation to any object or text, select it first and go to animation. Now here you can see we have three categories of animation: entrance, emphasis and exit. So for hello I have chosen swivel from entrance, or you can even choose from emphasis. It all depends upon your desire. After you have chosen, once you can see the number 1 beside the hello tag. That means it will play the animation of hello first and after that on object hello. Now for some effects you have the extra animation if you want to add, and which can be done from effect option. When you click on it, you will see a drop down menu and then you can choose accordingly. Now if you want to add another feature, like I added entrance to hello and I also want to add something from emphasis, then after choosing for the object, you can clearly choose another animation. Here I choose the animation of change color. To preview it, go down and click on the monitor option below, and then you can see. That is it. That is how easily you can include animation to text and object. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.